Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this video, let me show you easy and safe method using an official Microsoft tool to free up that cached memory and give your system an instant performance boost. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs. Without further delay, let's get it started. For that, open web browser, search for RAMMap Microsoft. In the search results, click on the official Microsoft RAMMap sys internals link. This will open Microsoft RAMMap download page. Here, you can find all the details about RAMMap does. For downloading RAMMap, click on Download RAMMap link here. Now, RAMMap zip file is downloaded. It shows only 700 KB size. Now, go to Downloaded folder, right-click on RAMMap and click on Extract All. Okay, now the extraction is completed and you can see that RAMMap installation files here. Now, before running this RAMMap, let me show you the cached RAM usage. For that, right-click on Start menu, then click on Task Manager. This will open Task Manager window. Once the Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab at the top. In the Performance tab, click on Memory in the left sidebar. This will shows you detailed information about your RAM usage. Here, you will see a composition breakdown in use, available, cached, etc. Now, let's go back to RAMMap folder, right-click on RAMMap, then click on Run as Administrator. Here, the license agreement, click on Agree. Now, the RAMMap window is opened and shows you a detailed breakdown of how your RAM is being used. In the RAMMap window, look at the top menu bar. Click on Empty in the menu bar. In the drop-down menu, click on Empty Standby List. This is the cached memory we saw in Task Manager. Here, now focus on the cached value. Now, watch what happens. The process is almost instant. Look at your Task Manager window. You should see the cached value drop dramatically. In my case, it went from 920 MB to just 50 to 100 MB. That's a lot because I have 8 GB of RAM on my PC. So, mine is working at full capacity to keep running smoothly. Your computer should feel noticeably snappier now, especially if you had several gigabytes of cached memory before. Use RAMMap to clear cache when your system feels slow, even though you are not running many programs. Check Task Manager first. If you see several gigabytes of cached memory and your available RAM is low, it's time to clear the cache. Personally, I keep RAMMap handy and use it whenever I notice my system getting slow. It's quick and effective. That's all guys. If any questions or thoughts, drop them comments below and I will help you out. If this video helped speed up your PC, hit like and share and subscribe for more.